In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, go to the Google Chrome over here. Now from here, what you need to do is if you're having the trouble with 403, and this is what you have to do as the first one, just go over here, search here for CMD, make sure that you run this as an administrator, and we have to go for yes. Now from here, the first one, that is IP config, then put a space /flush DNS. Now we have to press enter. Once that is done, we have to go over here, NTSH, put a space, winsock, then put a space, reset, and we have to press enter. Once both the flush and winsock is successfully done, what you need to do is you have to close this and move to the next one. Next one is all about we have to go over here, search here for control panel, and from here you have to click on the control panel. Now over here you have to click on the network and sharing center. Now from here you have to click on change adapter settings and go to the connection that you're having. If you're having the Ethernet, select this, right click and go to the properties. If you're having the Wi-Fi, right click and go to the properties here. Now from here we have to go to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Now go over here, as you can see the Internet Protocol version 6. This comes over here, as you can see you have to uncheck this and select this one and go to the properties. Now go to the preferred DNS server here. So you have to try with the first one, that is 8888, and go for 884 and 4, and you have to check. If that is not working, go to the properties once again. You have to remove all these values, and instead of 88884 and 4, most probably that might work. You can try with another value, that is all about 1111 or 100, then go for 1 and go for OK, and you have to check. Any one of these, either 8888 or 111 will be working, and you have to check, and that might work. Still, if it's not working, you can do one more thing. After trying with this, you can keep it back to the normal, like go to the properties over here, select the protocol version and go to the properties. Now click on use, obtain the DNS server address automatically, and go for OK. Now we have to close it, and we have to go over here and you have to close it, and we have to check, and that might work. Next one, we have to go to the Google Chrome over here, click on the three-dot menu here, and from here we have to navigate to settings. Now from here go to reset settings, and there is an option called restore settings to their original default. Now we have to click on this, and you have to go for reset settings, and you have to check. Another one is all about the last one. Just go over here, search here for the settings and click on the settings. Now from here what you need to do is we have to navigate to the network and internet, and from here go to advanced network settings, go to network reset, and go over here for reset now. Once the reset now is successfully done, we have to close it and we have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this gig very helpful. That's it. Bye.